Hello, everybody, and welcome back. This is our first video talking about math. Now, I know what you're thinking. Math is hard. I don't want to do any math. But that's the best part about Excel. It'll do all the math for you. Now, for Excel to do any sort of math, you select a cell and hit equals. If you don't hit equals, Excel doesn't know that you're trying to do math and treats the input as a string rather than a number, which basically means it's not going to perform the function that you want. It'll just leave it as text. So you hit equals, and Excel can do any sort of math that you could think of, pretty much. You can do addition, multiplication, subtraction, division, no problem. And the symbols for that are, for addition, let's do 10 plus 5, and we get 15. For subtraction, it's just the minus sign, so we could do 10 minus 5, we get 5. For multiplication, we can do 10 times 5, we get 50. And for division, we can do 10 divided by 5. For division, it's this little slash symbol. Now, it can also perform any of these tasks simultaneously, and you can do that with parentheses or just order of operations. Excel does know PEMDAS, so if you put things in the order that you want them to be done, Excel will do them for you. But the best part about Excel is that you can do math with certain numbers. So we have this list of numbers here, which we'll talk about again in a moment. But let's say we wanted to do, let's say instead of points on an exam, they were masses, and we wanted to calculate their force due to gravity exerted on them. Well, force F equals ma, where m is the mass and a is the acceleration due to gravity. Near the surface of the Earth, acceleration due to gravity is 9.8. And then we can say equals, select 9.8, and multiply it by the number we want. And we get this acceleration due to gravity. Now, one of the better features that Excel has is you can drag down an equation and it'll keep it the same throughout all of them. However, we can see here that we want to keep this number the same, and we want these numbers to change. If we look through, both numbers are changing. So to do this, we have to do what's called anchoring the number. And you do that with the $sign. So $sign before the letter anchors the letter in place, and then $sign before the number also anchors the number in place. So that's not going to do anything for this one, but if we pull this one down, we get each of these numbers multiplied by 1.8. And that's sort of your basic mathematical operations. In part 2, we'll do a little bit more with these numbers. See you then.